Many of you have money in your PayPal account, but you cannot withdraw them. I mean, that's not very nice after you have done all the work. But most times that happens because you opened a wrong PayPal account if you're living in Nigeria. This is what I want you to do if you want to be able to withdraw your money directly from PayPal to your Nigerian bank account without any special ATM card. Number one, you want to open a UK PayPal account and make sure you set it up correctly. To do this, you will always need a United Kingdom phone number, so you want to take note of that. Number two, after you have opened the UK PayPal account, go to Play Store or App Store and download and install an app called Grey App. Now, once you do that, you want to set up your Grey app and do your KYC. I explain all of this in my UK PayPal account video on my YouTube channel. So you can just go to Circles Digital on YouTube and search for that video in my PayPal video playlist, okay? All right, so once you do that, you go to the first step. Now that your Grey account is well set up, you want to go and open a UK bank account inside that Grey app. Don't worry, it is free. Now, you're going to be doing all of this within your Grey app. You must make sure that you use your accurate information. If you forge it, it will not work. I'm sure that's the reason why some of you that have been complaining and telling me that you have been having challenges with the setup. I'm sure that is the problem you are having. So make sure you use your personal information as it appears on your government issued ID card. So once you get all of this set up, every money you receive from PayPal will go to that UK bank account within your Grey app. And now you can now convert that money to Naira inside Grey and then send it to any bank account in Nigeria. And once you do that, you will receive your money in just about a few seconds. No stress, no ATM card, no domiciliary account. It's just that easy. And I'm very sure that this also works with quite a number of other African countries. Meanwhile, if you have money on your PayPal now and you want me to help you withdraw it or you want to sell it, you can always reach out to me from the comment section. And also, if you want me to help you create your own long-lasting PayPal account, or you already have a PayPal account and you want me to set up your Android phone for you so that you can always log into PayPal without using any VPN, you can also reach out to me. Make sure you subscribe and follow me for more practical steps to making money online.